Good morning, children. Today we will learn about birds. Children, you must have seen the birds flying around your house, right? But do you know their names? No? Okay, don't worry. Now I am going to teach you about names of birds. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. Pigeon. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. A parrot is green in color. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. Peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock is national bird of India. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Hen. Hen. This is a hen. H for hen. Hen lays eggs. Now children, did you understand the names of birds? Very good.